Hey Beauty and Beus, welcome back to my YouTube channel, emanicole. If you are new here, please subscribe. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my low slick buns.
Oh.
I'm going to be unlocking my secrets as to how I slick all of this hair.
All of this?
Okay, so first things first, I'm going to start spraying my hair with some water to get it all moistened up so I can comb through it. Then I get a comb or brush that has a good parting tool and part my hair about halfway. Okay, so now I'm going in with my paddle brush and I'm combing my hair out so I can get all the knots out. And to make things a bit easier, I grab my conditioner. It's basically just a repeating process of me trying to slick my hair down a bit more so I can put the gel in. That I'm using is Protien Gel. I feel like this is a really good gel since it does not flake and it contains no alcohol. Then I spray my hair again just to get things a bit easier to comb through so the gel won't dry up as quickly, and I comb it out with a paddle brush. And then I get the back of my head.
And it's finally time to brush our hair.
This is the hardest brush that I've ever had in my whole entire life.
This brush gives me
PTSD.
This brush
snatches my dreams. This brush.
So then I start to brush my hair with this super hard brush. Then I'm just holding my hair in the placement for the bun and I'm just slicking my hair back. Once I'm ready, I go ahead and I get a hair tie and just go around a couple of times and leave it like that. But if you want to tighten up your bun a bit more, you can get another hair tie and go around like that. And to make things a bit more clean, I'm going in with Got To Be Glue gel and I am putting it on my edges and anywhere that I will have flyaways. Spray my hair again since the gel's drying up, and I get some Got To Be Glue gel and brush it again with an even harder brush. And now if you want to go ahead and spice your stuff up a bit, you can get some hair clips. And this is the final result of my low slick bun.
I put on a little bandana over my hair so it can slick down more and get a bit hard since it is kind of wet from all that water that I put into it. So I hope that you guys liked this video. If you have, please subscribe, like, and